You know, before, guys, I cannot walk there. I cannot walk here, but now I can walk. You know, I was so scared.
The people laying here.
You see the people laying down there? Yeah. See the people laying down, oh? Oh. Hi guys! How are you there? Welcome to my vlog. Part 3. Yeah. So they'll see my son. Oh, look at the Empire State, Johnny. Look. There. The Empire State. There. There's the Empire State. We're gonna go there next. Uy, come here. Saddam. Come here. Come here. Let's go over there to the Empire State. Take my picture there. That's the Empire State, huh? You see the Empire State Building there? Before it was the tallest building, God bless you. In the whole world, now it's the tallest building. I think Summit is the tallest building in the whole world. See? New York skyline. This is New York. I'm on top of New York. Almost 100 floors. Almost 100 floors. I think so. Nice view there. I'll stay here. Hi guys. Saddam, take my picture. See, I'm on top of Summit Building in Vanderbilt on 42nd Street near Grand Central Station. Saddam, take my picture here.